Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So yeah, lockdown days are going on and we all are thinking to go here, to go there after the lockdown gets over. Okay, there are many things moving in our mind that will go here, will go there. Lot of stuffs to be done, right? In this video, I am going to share a few things which I would like to do. Before that, there's a concept called bucket list, if you know. Okay, so basically there are few tasks or few things which everybody loves to do and they want to do in their lives. Okay, so they note it down or they record it in their bucket list and they want to achieve it. They want to go to so and so places and enjoy their life. Those are dreams of their lives, right? So in this video I am going to share a few things which I would like to do, and by the end of this video I'll ask you also to share a few things or basically 3 things which you like doing. Okay, so let's start. The first thing out of 3 things which I want to do, the first thing which I would like to do, or it's on my bucket list, is to go on the top of the mountain, to climb a mountain. And I imagine myself on the top of the mountain. But wait, I'll have something with me. That is going to be a cage. Yes, a cage full of birds inside. Okay, so I'll climb the mountain with a cage in my hand, having a lot of birds inside. I'll sit on the top of the mountain in peace and I'll open the door of the cage and I'll let all the birds fly away. So watching those birds having their having their lives back again will give me inner happiness. Okay, so I'll have the peace sitting there at the top of the mountain, plus I'll have the that happiness of giving lives or watching those birds fly again, right? So that is the first thing which I would like to do. Interesting, right? Second thing which I would like to do is to write a book. Yeah, again book, but not that kind of book. Okay, I know my students, okay, you all my students can relate that how painful is to read a book or to mug up the book. Okay, but this book is going to be different. I'll tell you how. Okay, so this book is going to be having a title called Why Books. Okay, it says that why books are needed for students to study. There are a number of other sources from where we could get information, right? Then why books? Okay, so I want to write that there are a number of sources and why to only stick to books, textbooks basically I am talking about. Okay, there are many sources from where we can get knowledge, we can get information, right? So that is going to be my second wish list thing to be done. Okay, now the third thing. I'm very sad to say that I'll not be there to see my third wish when it will get fulfilled. Yes, you are right. How is it possible? Because the third thing which I wish for myself is to donate my eyes to somebody who is blind, who cannot see the world. Okay, so after I die, after I end my life, somebody will get my eyesight and that person will be able to see the beautiful world. Okay, that will be also a real happiness which one could give to somebody else. Okay, so this is the third thing which I want to do. Now there are many other things like traveling the world or do a lot of stuff which could be in my bucket list and even in yours. Okay, so I want you to write down 3 things which you really want to do and which is in your bucket list. Okay, you can write in the comment section below, or you make a video like me, or you share on the social media, anywhere. Okay, if you express, no, it's good, you feel good and somebody could help you achieve it. Okay, maybe somebody else must be having the same dreams which you have, so you can together achieve it. Okay, so yes, that is one task which you can do. Now before ending this video, again I will say that this is my new channel and there are less number of subscribers. I want your help to increase my number of subscriber, because this is also one thing which I like doing. Okay, so I will request everyone to write down in the comment section your wish list, share this video as much as possible and try to promote my channel. Okay, thank you. I'll meet you next time.